Hey folks, today we're going to take a look at what causes blemishes. And go ahead and click that subscribe button now if you enjoy watching dermatology videos. We have new pops every single Monday. Blackheads form when a clog or plug develops in the opening of hair follicles in your skin. Each follicle contains one hair and a sebaceous gland that produces oil. This oil, called sebum, helps keep your skin soft. Dead skin cells and oil collect in the opening to the skin follicle, producing a bump called a comedo. If the skin over the bump stays closed, the bump is called a whitehead. When the skin over the bump opens, exposure to the air causes it to look black and a blackhead forms. Some factors can increase your chances of developing acne and blackheads, including producing too much body oil, the buildup of acne bacteria on the skin, irritation of the hair follicles when dead skin cells don't shed on a regular basis, undergoing hormonal changes that cause an increase in oil production, and taking certain medication. Some people believe that what you eat or drink can affect acne. Dairy products and foods that increase blood sugar levels, such as carbohydrates, may play a part in triggering acne. But researchers aren't convinced that there's a strong connection. The best way to treat blackheads is to clean them and pop them, preferably with a Comedone extractor kit. We'll put a link to our favorite in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.